Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to cast VLC Media Player to Chromecast devices on Windows PC. Open VLC Media Player on your PC. Click on the Media option in the top menu bar. Click Open File from the drop-down menu. Select a video or audio file on your computer and click Open. Now, in the top menu bar, click on the Playback option. Hover your mouse on the Renderer option from the drop-down menu. Choose your Chromecast device from the list. Now click on the Play button. The video should play on the other screen. If there is any warnings regarding insecure site or conversion options, approve them. This is how you can cast VLC Media Player to Chromecast devices on Windows PC. Thank you for watching.